Bowling Bustle, yes. Bowling Bustle is my favorite game. Who's gonna be in controller? Is it me or somebody else? It better be a player level 17. A player level 17. Nope. Not player with 20. Not player with the level 17. Not player on level 17. Not the player with 20. Not the player with level 17. Not the player on level 15. On level 17. Not the player on level 17. I'm in controller, yes. Now I'm gonna start bowling and do that to those players. I use my joystick with my bowling ball and press this button to make it go. He has a guitar. I'm gonna destroy him. I'm now in control of Bowling Bustle. I killed one, yay! Yes, I eliminated those players. Let's try it. Yes, I'm now the winner. Bowling Bustle is a nice game. So yes, I won Bowling Bustle since I was